Thank you so much, Shambia, about this so great. Atiku, why? Why will Atiku do such a thing? At this level, Atiku presents himself as a man that lacks leadership grace. Why will Atiku be so petty? Why will Atiku not try to have a broad mind? Why will Atiku continue to be obstacle to the unity of PDP and to the unity of Nigeria? Why will Atiku be a destabilizing force? Why will he not have the heart of a father and seek to carry everybody along, even those believed to be real or perceived enemies? Just hear what Oyo State governor said.
The explosion, actually, it's though investigation into the details are still going on, it was simply illegal miners storing explosives in an environment where they shouldn't be. It's a place where it's meant, for people to live in. It's not a mining site. So all the lapses that allow such to happen have been looked into. I'm particularly grateful because the president called me. You have three musketeers that went for that election. The president has reached out to me. You have reached out to me. But my own party candidates, not even a call or a text message. I mean, I'm saying it openly so that our leaders will know that you have time for politics, you have time for governance, and you have time for humanity. So we want to say thank you so much, sir, and we appreciate
disaster, explosion that took place in Oyo State. Other leaders are visiting. They are making calls. They have identified with the state in their moment of grief. But the governor said, Atiku Abubakar say he's not going to be part of it. Atiku Abubakar cannot call. He cannot visit. But even those in opposition, they have visited Oyo State. At least for one thing, Oyo is still a PDP state. Forget about G5 situation. The governor is still a PDP governor. That enough. That alone is enough to make Atiku identify with Oyo State. If not for any other thing, create a moral burden for Makinde. Create a moral burden for him. For what he's doing with Yosemite. What about other PDP members who are not involved in what Makinde and Wike is doing? They would like to see the leader of PDP identify with them in their moment of grief. This is so unfortunate. There's a level you get to. A lot will be expected from you. And that's the level Atiku found himself. He should not present himself as one who's been so petty. If your enemy, real or perceived, is mourning, mourn with him. If he's rejoicing, rejoice with him. That is the way to go. if you want to be a politician that will win the grassroots. It's not too late. Atiku should seize the moment and reach out to the Oyo State governor and tell him he stands with the Oyo people in their moment of grief. You had over 77 people seriously wounded, buildings destroyed. Over 5 or so died in that explosion. Why will you not identify with the state? Let those around Atiku plead with him to do the needful. If he cannot go in person, let him send somebody to your state. That is what needs to be done, and the time to do it is now. Share this video and subscribe to this channel.